I can generally tell when I do my examination if they have very little airway space back there. I will also speak to patients about their sleep patterns and whether they wake up in the morning refreshed or they wake up very tired no matter how many hours they sleep. One way to thoroughly diagnose it is to have a sleep study where they monitor your sleep and they could tell how many times you've woken up during the night, how many episodes of when you stop breathing. In some cases they're snoring and a spouse or a partner will let them know that because it keeps them up. But in many cases it's relatively quiet. This is a very important area for me because this is just another area where we can save somebody's health and make a huge difference in their lives.